Imagine working hard every day, waking up early, going to work, trying your best. But somehow, you're still broke. No savings, no investments, just bills after bills. The truth is, most people are not poor because they don't earn enough. They're poor because of their habits. And today, we're going to reveal 7 habits that secretly keep people poor. If you have even one of these habits, you might stay broke forever. Habit number 1, lifestyle inflation. Here's how it works. You get a raise, and suddenly you buy a better phone, a bigger apartment, more expensive clothes, more subscriptions. Your income increases, but your expenses increase even faster. So no matter how much you earn, you always feel broke. Rich people do the opposite. When they earn more, they invest more, not spend more. Habit number 2, buying things to impress others. A lot of people buy expensive things, not because they need them, but because they want others to think they're successful. Luxury clothes, fancy cars, latest gadgets. But here's the truth. Most people you're trying to impress are too busy worrying about their own lives. And the sad part? You're going broke trying to look rich. Real wealthy people don't chase status, they chase freedom. Habit number 3, living paycheck to paycheck. For millions of people, their bank account looks like this. Salary comes in, bills go out, and by the end of the month, there's almost nothing left. This creates a dangerous cycle because one small emergency, a medical bill, a car repair, or losing a job can destroy everything. That's why financially smart people always build an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Habit number 4, not investing. Many people think investing is risky, so they keep their money in the bank. But here's the real risk: inflation. Every year, money loses value. That means if you don't invest, your money is actually shrinking. Meanwhile, wealthy people invest in stocks, businesses, and real estate, and their money keeps growing, even while they sleep. Habit number 5, credit card debt. Credit cards feel amazing at first. Buy now, pay later. But that later often comes with huge interest rates, sometimes 20% or more, which means something you bought for $100 can eventually cost $150 or even $200. Debt makes banks rich and keeps people trapped. Wealthy people avoid bad debt. They use money to build assets, not liabilities. Habit number 6, no financial education. Think about this. In school, we learn math, science, and history, but almost nobody teaches us how money actually works, how to invest, how taxes work, how to build wealth. So most people grow up guessing with money, and guessing with money is dangerous. Wealthy people constantly learn about investing, business, and financial strategies, because knowledge about money creates more money. Habit number 7, waiting for the perfect time. People say, I'll start investing next year. I'll save money when I earn more. I'll start a business someday. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. The best time to start building wealth was yesterday. The second best time is today. Most people think becoming rich requires luck, but in reality, wealth is mostly about habits. Avoid these 7 habits and you're already ahead of millions of people. Because money doesn't just follow hard work, it follows smart behavior. And if you start changing your habits today, your future self will thank you. If you want to learn how money really works, subscribe to The Frugal Shift, because here we turn simple ideas into financial freedom.